Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Just Ellie. I've got heavy whipping cream. I'm going to show you how I use it to make butter. I'm using my food processor setting. I emptied the 2 boxes of heavy whipping cream into the food processor. And for now, that's the only ingredient. Then I'm going to use the setting for dough and allow it to work for about 5 minutes. And then you start to see the separation of the buttermilk from the butter. Now using the spatula, I take it out and put it in a bowl. As I add this, you'd see that more buttermilk starts draining out. You want to get all of the buttermilk out eventually. So you can squeeze it out into a container, as you can use the buttermilk later on for other recipes. Now it's important that you rinse out the extra buttermilk, as this helps the butter to stay longer. It preserves it. This butter now is ready for salt or herbs. I only added a bit of salt. I use sea salt in this butter, but flavor it as you like. You can put it in a container, but I used a piece of saran wrap or a plastic to keep it overnight in the freezer. You can simply put it in the fridge. And here we have our delicious homemade butter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.